Union Home Minister Amit Shah said Prime Minister Narendra Modi's priority is to restore peace in Manipur, keeping its integrity intact by holding talks with all sections, including those who are trying to divide Manipur. Amit Shah was addressing an election rally at Hafta Kangjebung in Imphal East District today. Quote-unquote, Manipur will witness peace in the days to come. For the past 6 years, Manipur was peaceful. But I assure you that the BJP will be hold talks with those who have ignited the conflict as well as those who have endured due to the conflict and restore peace with its integrity intact, said Amit Shah. Accusing the Congress party always engaging in divisive politics, the Union Home Minister claimed that the opposition party had given nothing but chaos. The Union Home Minister alleged that the Congress candidate for inner constituency is also a pawn of the opposition to carry on their divisive agenda.
मणिपुर के पहाड़ और घाटी दोनों को कहना चाहता हूं, आने वाले समय में नरेंद्र मोदी जी की प्रायोरिटी मणिपुर को एक रखते हुए सबसे बातचीत करते हुए शांति स्थापित करने की है। मणिपुर में 6 साल तक कुछ नहीं हुआ था। जिन लोगों ने किया है उनसे भी बातचीत करेंगे और जिनका नुकसान हुआ है उनसे भी बातचीत